We're going to be making a desert sun quilt square. First, you're going to take your 2.5-inch squares and you're going to draw a line from one corner to the other. You're going to do this on 4 different squares, then you're going to place them in each corner of your 5.5-inch square, right sides together. Once you have this all ready, you're going to sew directly on the line that you just drew for all 4 of your squares. After you're finished sewing, you're going to cut the fabric at a 1/4 inch seam the right of each of the lines that you just drew. This will make the center portion of our sun. Once you're finished cutting, you're going to press your seams open just like this on all 4 sides. And then you should be finished with your center, and then we'll move on to the sides of the sun. So you're going to take your 6.25 inch square, and on the back side of the fabric, you're going to draw a line from one corner to the other. After you draw that line, you're going to flip it back over and take your 6.25 inch white square and put it on top of the previous square with your right sides together. After that, you're going to sew 1/4 inch to either side of the line you just drew on your first 6.25 inch square. Once you're finished sewing, you're then going to cut directly on the line that you drew before, creating 2 half triangle squares. Okay, after you're finished, press your seams open. And then after they're pressed open, you're going to take your ruler and just trim off the little edge corner pieces at the corner of your square just to get even lines for our next step. Once you finish that, you're going to draw a line from corner to corner on the back side of one of the squares you just made, so it crosses and intersects the other line in the middle of the square. Then you'll flip it upside down and take the other square that you made when you cut it originally and place it on top of each other with the opposite colors touching, and the seam that you had sewn should line up. To make sure that everything stayed in place, I just pinned the fabric together along the seam to make sure that the lines cross, and the middle will be right where I sew on that line for both of the squares. So then when you're sewing, you're going to sew 1/4 inch to either side of the line that you drew, just like we did before. Okay, after that I'm just going to remove my pins and then I'm going to cut on the line that I drew. And then after that you should have 2 squares that look like this with the cross in the middle. Then we're going to press open our seams on all 4 of them just to make it easier for our next step. Now we're going to angle the square so the colored fabrics are at the top and bottom, and you're going to measure 4 inches to the left of the square, and you're going to cut off that remaining fabric, and then you're going to trim down the other sides to make them all even, and the finished dimensions should be 5.5 inches by 4 inches. Okay, after that we'll assemble our square with the center in the middle and our 4 sides at the top, bottom, and then the left and right sides. Then you're going to take your 4-inch squares and place them in each corner. That is our complete layout, so then you'll just sew along all of those seams. After that, you should have a finished quilt square like this. Thanks for watching.